Hi, I'm Chef. Welcome to the Walk Life. My name is Will and this is my playground. In this learning a new dish video, I'm going to learn this okra and hard-boiled egg curry. I recently went to a Burmese Thai restaurant with my uncle who took me there because we wanted to show my cousin who's visiting some real good Burmese food. And I had this. I've never had this in my life. This was something that I didn't know. It isn't something my mom used to make. So I looked up the recipe and I really like how simple it is. In the restaurant, however, it didn't have enough okra in the dish. So I thought I'll make it myself this time and see how it turns out. Okay, so starting off with the hot wok or hot pan, can have. And the ingredients are really simple. Lots of aromatics. We have garlic and shallot. I'm using quite a bit of garlic and shallot into this because I really want the base to come up nicely. And we also have some fire roasted tomatoes in the can, from a can. You can use fresh as well, but I just thought this will adding a nice layer of flavor into it. I'm gonna start off with shallot. I always like to start with the onion based because there's so much liquid in there. Already the aromatic is amazing. Let's drop in the garlic real quick. I think this is gonna come together very, very easily. I have some hard-boiled eggs here ready to go. It was really straightforward. You put the eggs in the cold water and then bring up to boil and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Drop it into an ice bath. Apparently, the older the eggs, the easier it is to peel afterwards. The aromatic is amazing. Okay. I don't want it to char too much. So when it's about ready, just a little bit of a color on the side, I'm going to start to fry up the aromatic from the powders. What we have today is curry powder, turmeric, and also a little bit of paprika. If you like to have a little bit extra heat, you can have, you can use cayenne pepper instead of this. I'm gonna start off with the paprika and the turmeric. This step is called blooming. You just want the oil to bloom a little bit. Okay, whew, really hot. I'm gonna let the rest of the curry powder go in as well. One thing that I'm not using in this dish right now, or a couple things, is fish sauce. I wanted to keep this dish completely vegetarian, so I didn't use any fish sauce in here. It's good to go. I have some tomato. You can, of course, add in the fish sauce if you don't mind it. Okay. Whew. You can also add in the Thai chili. I'm not using any today because my husband doesn't like the heat. Otherwise, I'm throwing a couple of Thai chilies. I'm gonna have it on the side instead. Right. The okra goes in. What I'm going to do is just add a little bit of water and let it simmer till the okra is softened. It's been simmering away for some time now. The okra still has a little bit of a bite to it. Nice and slimy. Okay, we can plate this. Go. Things coming together nicely. Just bring the sauce a little bit. And all you have to do is just nestle the eggs into the curry. And that's it. It's a nice, simple okra egg curry. Let's have a little bit of taste. I use salt to season into the fish sauce. Again, keeping it completely vegetarian. The acidity from the tomato and the aromatics coming together, it's really nice. I did have to adding a little bit of curry a bit of water to kind of soften the okra a little bit and let the sauce all come together. But it is really tasty. One thing I didn't mention is that growing up, I hated hard-boiled eggs. But when you have the egg yolk spread out into the sauce, soaking up together, it's amazing. Well, here's a okra and egg curry inspired by Burmese dishes. I hope I did my mom proud. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.